Hello and welcome to Humzabaan. Friends, we've been going through multiple lessons about Urdu. We started with Urdu alphabet. We covered the grouping of alphabet based on their shapes, based on their sounds. We also looked at the different shape they take if they're in beginning, middle, or end. We've also been looking at the special symbols which, when you add it to a letter, change its sound. Then we finally, equipped with all of these, we went into forming words. We looked at the 2-letter, 3-letter, 4-letter, and 5-letter words. And then obviously the Humzabaan app gives you the ability to practice and also helps you with going through all the content and the quizzes which are there. Now we come to an important part: is how do we write numerals or the numbers in Urdu, right? That's how what we are going to look at. Obviously, like all other number systems, the important numbers or numerals are from 0 to 9. So we'll just look at the numbers from 0 to 9, and that would make up for us to understand all the numbers. So for example, on the app, if you see here, then we've got these numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0, for example, it looks like this, right? The one that you see here, we call it sifar. Now, if you see, 1 is very similar to the English 1 or more like Aleph. So you see here, we call in Urdu ek, right? So the numeral 1 is ek. Then numeral 2, this is how the shape looks here. For example, if you see, and this is called do. Then if we move over the numeral 3, the one that you see on top is that how it looks. And then we call teen, right? Then we have 4, the shape is on top, and then you see char. Numeral 5, you have shape is 5, and you see 5, right? Similarly, you have numeral 6, in Urdu we call che, and that's how it shows up. You have 7. So again, you can see 7, and that shows up here. You have 8, and this 8 is called art in Urdu, and you have the numeral 9. That's how it appears. The shape is on top, and it is we call it no. Now this is how it shows. 10 is nothing but 1 and 0, and then obviously you have, it's called das. Now this is how the letters, the numerals are shown in Urdu. We can go ahead and also look at other numerals. For example, 11 would nothing be but 1 and 1, and it's called gyara. 12 would be 1 and 2, how it's shown top, bara. So and so forth. So you can again practice the numerals like this. What we have done here, where we have kept the how the numerals show up in Urdu, and this is still 100. So you can go in tens. You can see the numeral. You can see what it is called, what is the name for that in Urdu, and you can listen to and pronunciation and get more acquainted with the numerals in Urdu. For all of that, you can go to the app on Humzabaan app and practice. There are quizzes again, as we keep mentioning. There are practice lessons, flashcards, help you gain more experience with Urdu as such, but all the other aspects that we have been covering. Thank you for your time, and look forward to seeing you again.